Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh 21951A04F0 of branch ECEC section. In this presentation, I am going to talk about LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. The contents are: what is LPG, different forms of LPG, uh, what is the difference between propane and butane, and fueling appliances, LPG fueling appliances, applications of LPG, and conclusion. What is the first? What is LPG? We all know that LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, is a hydrocarbon gas that exists in a liquefied form. LPG is a colorless, low carbon, and a highly efficient fuel supplied in two main forms, that is propane C3H8 and butane C4H10. LPG boils at a low temperature to avoid it evaporating due to its low boiling point. It is typically stored in pressurized steel vessels such as gas bottles or bulk LPG tanks. The second one is different forms of LPG. Did you know that propane, butane, and bio LPG are all forms of LPG? That's all. That's right. And whilst they are all forms of LPG, they each have their individual uses. Next one is what's the difference between propane and butane? We see propane and butane as non-identical twins of the LPG world. So you have been told that both propane and butane are different forms of LPG gas. But what does that mean? Propane has a boiling temperature of 42 degrees Celsius, whilst butane has a higher boiling point at minus 2 degrees Celsius. As propane function well in lower temperatures, it is usually used for outdoor use. Conversely, butane is typically used indoors due to its high boiling point. And the fourth one is fueling LPG appliances. That is propane and butane, both forms of LPG. Power appliances in the same way. You may or may not know that LPG takes the form of a gas at room temperature and under natural atmospheric pressure. These are the LPG portable tanks, fueling appliances, and but we soon learned that a lot more energy can be stored when LPG is in its liquid phase rather than in its vapor phase. So we liquefy the LPG before it's stored. Liquefying LPG gas can be achieved under moderate pressure, and once this process has been completed, is stored in a gas bottle. Once the LPG gas in its liquefied state is safely stored in a gas bottle, we then distribute the gas bottles to our reliable retailers, and that's when you come in. Depending on you what you prefer, you can wait uh, either await delivery by one of our friendly drivers to your home or business, or pop over to collect the bottle from one of our many retailers. Depending on what you do prefer, you can either arrange delivery by one of your friendly drivers to your home or business, or pop over to collect the bottle from our many retailers. The fourth one is LPG gas bottles. After all, who does not love all things portable? Propane, because of its slow boiling point, should be stored and used outdoors. On the flip side, butane does not function as effectively in colder climates, so it is best used and stored indoors. These are the LPG gas bottles we are using for cooking purpose. And the fifth one is applications of LPG. LPG is a multi-purpose fuel and used worldwide as an alternative fuel for various applications like residential, commercial, industrial, and auto gas that we discussed in detail. Residential. In the absence of natural gas, LPG is the best alternative fuel. LPG can be used for cooking, water heating, space heating, and drying. Cooking with other fuels such as kerosene results in pollution, accumulation, or soot, and the heat generated is difficult to control. LPG allows the user to control the level of heat and ensures a clean cooking environment. And the second one is commercial. Uh, LPG is preferred fuel for hotels, restaurants, catering companies, schools, and bakeries. LPG offers continuous supply of heat which can be maintained at the desired temperature. Moreover, LPG powered for forklifts are cost effective and environment friendly with no reduction in the engine power. The next one is industrial use of LPG. LPG is widely used in civil engineering, metal industry, ceramic industry, textile industry, and glass industry. Depending on the scale of operation, LPG can be provided in a manifold of cylinders or a bulk tank. Noor, LPG also offers SNG for industrial application. And the auto gas. Auto gas is LPG used specifically for vehicle use. There are over 14 million vehicles worldwide running on auto gas, and it is the most widely preferred alternative to petrol or diesel. Thank you.